Just one lime and you will never have this problem again. That's right, friends. After this tip, you'll never spend money on expensive products to keep your bathroom clean and fresh again. First, you will need a lime. Don't use lemon for this. Use lime, which is more acidic, that's fine, and cut the lime in half, and then into smaller pieces. You can chop the whole lime. It's going to stay like this. Now let's put that aside, and next, get yourself a disposable mask. You can even get a used one for this, no problem. It's better, so you save even more money. And then we do the following with the scissors. We're going to cut the mask, right here on one of the edges. You can cut it right here, but don't throw this part away yet. Take this piece of string off, and set it aside because we're going to use it in a moment. Now let's open the mask like this. And then take our lemon cubes. Now we are going to put them inside the mask. Let me put it here. Just this, friends. Now we are going to use the piece of string. First, turn like this. Too easy. Then just take the piece of string and use it to tie it up real tight. Now that the tip is ready, let's go to the bathroom and see how it works. And here, let's do the following. First, open the lid of your toilet. Watch out for the lid, and then put it here like this. And now friends, this is what is going to happen. Every time we flush, a bit of the lime essence will be released down the toilet. And if you didn't know, lemon is an excellent antibacterial. It's also great for cleaning purposes, to kill germs, and to remove other bad ones as well. Therefore, this is the perfect option for you to keep your toilet always clean, and above all, to eliminate that strong and bad smell of urine, instead of continuing to spend on expensive products, which sometimes do not remove anything. So this could be the solution, and now just put the cover back in place. And every time we flush, a bit of the lemon essence will come out, keeping the toilet fresh and clean. It will also help you remove stains. This can completely eliminate all urine odor. It is a very simple homemade trick, which will help you a lot in your daily life. Blessings.